Hi guys, I'm Amy.
And I'm Brittany.
From the Postech team. Brittany, must we leave a space between the soil and the structure?
That's a really good question, and we're going to have to visit one of our certified installers to find out more information.
So, let's go.
Hey Rob, people want to know, do you have to leave a space between the soil and the structure?
Absolutely. The biggest cause of movement in a building is frost heave. So that's the soil freezes and expands and pushes against the structure. So you need to leave a minimum distance between the ground and your structure to prevent that happening. Now it's also important to know your local conditions. I would say a minimum distance is about 6 inches, but we have areas here where the soil is a loose clay and will heave up to 18 inches. So it's important to know what your minimum distance is in your particular area.